Guru Purnima is coming. Every year Guru Purnima comes and goes. We, like the Kutastha Chaitanya, we don't change. And we listen to satsanga like the professional satsangi. A challenge to the Mahatma. So many have come and gone, now you try. See? So many Guru Purnimas have come and gone. See friends, please remember, whole Bhagavad Gita was heard by Arjuna. The situation of the battle or the war did not change. It is Arjuna who changed. Guru Purnima is this reminder that are we changing ourselves or not? Not the body level, not the mind level, but are we changing ourselves properly so that body, mind and spiritual practice is perfectly balanced. Samatvam yoga uchyate. This we have to consciously understand. See friends, and don't push the Guru outside. Guru is our ability to learn from every experience. When we learn from any experience, that experience does not precipitate in the form of an impression on our mind. For example, in our childhood, we all have some time or the other touched the fire and we got our hand burnt. So we have learned that the fire burns and therefore we do not have hatred towards the fire. We know fire burns. We have learnt it. And therefore, after learning this, then what we do? Now we use the same burning capacity of the fire to our benefit. Now apply the same principle in life. We have fulfilled so many desires right from childhood. Have we discovered fulfillment in life? No. So have we learnt anything from it? No. We are not celebrating Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima celebration is we learn from every experience of our life. And the Guru who is outside, he can do nothing. In the relationship of Guru and the Shishya is more important, not Guru. Guru is like the sun, available for everybody freely, equally. But if somebody is sitting inside the room and complains, oh, the sun is biased to that person, is giving more light to him, but to me not giving enough light, who is responsible? Not the sun. In the same manner, Guru principle is common for everyone. The real Guru manifests in our heart as our learning ability from every passing message. That is Guru Purnima celebration. I'll give one homework to you, and I promise you, you will not do it. The homework is, every day you write a beautiful diary. Don't write thesis, only one-liner or two-liners. Write down what I have learned today from my life. Just write one line. And see, by the time 365 days are over, you will feel, my God, I never knew I'm so wise. And slowly, slowly the change will start coming in you. That is the celebration of Guru Purnima. See friends, in Kaivalya Upanishad, a mantra comes. The student approaches the teacher. Adhihi bhagavo brahma vidyam varishtham sada sadbihi sevyamanam nigudham yayachira sarva papam vyapoya parat param purusham yati divyam tasmai sahovacha pitamahascha shraddha bhakti dhyana yoga davaihi. To that Ashwalayan, Guru Maharaj Brahmaji said, my dear, I cannot teach you. Shraddha, Bhakti, Dhyana, Yogat, Avaihi, you learn. Nobody can teach anybody anything. And if you are learning, nobody can stop you from learning. Invoke that ability to learn from your own experiences. And if we learn from every experience of our life, with every experience, we'll grow wise. If we don't learn from our experiences, we'll grow old and otherwise. And old otherwise people have nothing but complaint. आजकल के बच्चे बड़ों को आदर नहीं देते. If you are old by age, what is your contribution? What we have done to become old? It is the poor earth running around the sun and our age is growing. What is our contribution? A Shudra Buddhi. See, friends, therefore, let us celebrate the Guru Purnima with this wisdom. Every day, just. And don't make it public, Facebook. Today I learned this thing. What about you? All the way. Our spiritual practice should be extremely silent and secret. ये अंदर की बात है. You don't have to make it public. Do you know आजकल मैं meditation कर रहा हूँ, बहुत मजा आ रहा. अरे, is it ice cream or what? मजा आ रहा. Make it subjective, silent. And when you start doing it, I'll tell you, you will not know the change in you. The people around you will observe the change in you. There is one lady, she asked me what I should do. I said, okay, take this series of talks, listen, write down, do DTP, edit whatever you can, send it to me. Swamiji, I said, if you are going to talk, over. Do means do. She started doing it. And after about 6 months, when I went to their house, they have got dozens of servants. The servants came and told me, Swamiji, our BBG has changed so much. She didn't know she has changed. Earlier, he was shouting on every Tom, Dick and Harry, telling, you know, all that. Now she has stopped scolding us. And one day, she was a little disturbed. So her mother-in-law said, today you did not write Swamiji's lecture. See, friends, we have to change. And the change comes when you keep on learning. And the learning process is so sweet that like a small baby, she doesn't know she is growing. People around them, they know, oh, now she is grown up. Give it a chance. In the next Guru Purnima, you will all be realized. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnahat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.